Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create professional LinkedIn single image ads using Canva? With Canva, you can easily customize eye-catching ad templates using your own images and text directly on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you step by step how to do it. First, open Canva on your device. Next, go to social media. At the top, tap the search bar and type LinkedIn. Then tap LinkedIn. Now select LinkedIn single image ad. Canva will display many professional ad templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the image editor will appear automatically. Now tap on the image inside the template, then tap Replace. Choose the photo you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original image with your selected file. Next, tap on the text if you want to customize it. Then tap Edit. Now type the text you want to use for your LinkedIn ad. You can also adjust the font, size, colors, and position to make your ad look more professional. Once everything looks good, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to download or share to LinkedIn. And that's how to create professional LinkedIn single image ads in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.